to Lorenzo, to Joby Kailayan.
May lipat ka kaya? Ay! Pusog ka pa kaya? Okay na, yan. Ay, pumalit naman.
Third number ni Joby, wala rebound by Jimmy. Good ball, good. Out of bounds. 9 minutes and 36. Team D. J. Making his move. Short number ni J. No good. Rebound by number 7.
Si Rowan di para siya na.
Yeah, 1 Teresa. To Joel. No good. To Heaven. No good. Rebound by Joel. To Dema. No good. Rebound by Kuboy. Chano.
Sino? Sino?
Ano? Wala siya.
Ay, number 2.
Short jumper. No good pa rin. Rebound by G. 2 points. G. Deadlock. All 2. Intercepted. Nauna na si Heaven. 2 points. 7. No good. Rebound by Sean. Score. 4-2. Sean. No good. Rebound by Lorenzo. Lorenzo to Jay. Nawala. Jay pa rin. 13 seconds to shoot. Jay side stepping move to Jamil. Block by Joel. Jamil pa rin. 6 seconds to shoot. Good ball. Joel side stepping. Good ball. Joel. All 4. Ganun pa rin po kapag sino na po ang Team E. I'm sorry, eliminated na po. 4 seconds to shoot. 1 second. Good ball. Intercepted by number 2. To Sean. To Dema. Rebound by Sean. To Dema again. 2 boys. Dema. Change favor. Lamang na po ang Team E. 3. Lorenzo. Change favor. 7-6. Intercepted by Lorenzo to Heaven. 2 points. 7 minutes exactly. 9-6. Tatlo po lamang. Sean, side stepping move. Foul by jersey number 6 minutes and 50 seconds. 9-6. Tatlo lang po lamang ng Team D. Chalo, 83. So good. Rebound by Joby. To Heaven, 83. So good. Rebound by Jay. Out of bounds. Good ball po yan. Light ball. Chalo. Trapas Nela. Wala rebound ni Joby. 6 minutes and 15. Jay to Lorenzo. Sub-issin kaya? Sayang. Bola ng Team D. Score po, 9-6 in favor of Team D. Tatlo lang po lamang. 9-6. 5 minutes and 57 seconds. Good ball po yan. Number 2 to Joel. Joel number 2 boys. Joel. 9-8. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan. Out of bounds. Good ball. Chano, alam mga madali. Intercepted by Heaven. Foul by jersey number 5 minutes and 28 seconds. 5 minutes and 20. Heaven, drop pass to Lorenzo. Taking 3. No good. Rebound by Jamil sa ilalim. Hook shot is good. Jamil, 2 points. 11-8. In favor of Team D. Sean. To Chano, taking 3 all alone. No good. Rebound by number 2. Intercepted by Jay. Last possession before change. Last possession na po. Change short na po. Change short na po. Basket by Jay. Score 13-8. 13-8. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining on the clock. Good ball po. Sean. To number 2, no good. Rebound by Jay. Jay. To Lorenzo. To Joby. Joby. No good. Rebound by Jamil. 2 points. Jamil. 14-8. Good ball. 15-8. To Sean. No good pa rin. Rebound by Chano. 2 points. Chano. 15-9. Then 15-10. 5-point lead by Team D. 4 minutes exactly. 8 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds. 1. Good ball po. Good ball. Good ball. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Basket po. Basket by Tema. 15-12.
Tatlo.
3 minutes and 40. 15-12. At 3-point lead by Indy. 12 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Bola lang. Indy, good ball po yan. Light ball. Chano, side step. No good. Rebound by Lorenzo. To Heaven. Intercepted. Heaven pa rin to Joby. 13 seconds to shoot. Jay taking 3. No good. Rebound by Chano. Chano. 3 minutes and 2 seconds. Sean. Sa ilalim. Wala. Turnover. Wala lang. Indy. Live ball po yan. Good po yan. Good. Good ball po yan. Good. Good ball. Good ball. 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Jamil, short jumper. No good. 3-5. Joed. 2 points. Joed. 15-14. 1-point lead. 1-point lead by Team B. 15-14. 10 seconds shot clock. 9 seconds shot clock. 7 seconds. 5 seconds. No good. Rebound by Sean. Turtano. No good. Last 2 minutes. Foul. Score 15-14. 1-point lead ng Team D. Isa na lang po ang kalamangan. Isa na lang po. 1 minute and 55 seconds left on the clock. Emma. Taking 3. Emma. Taking 3 more. 17-15. 1 minute and 40 na lang po. 10 seconds shot clock. James. Foul. Foul by jersey number 17-15 in favor of Team E. Good ball po. Heaven and green or good. Rebound by. Rebound in. Joed. Sa kanya pa rin. Joed. 2 points. Joed. 19-15. No good. Rebound by Jamil. Is in by number 2. 1 minute and 5 seconds. Number 2 pa rin. Nagmamanalungin pa na. 2 points. Number 2. 21, 15, 53 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. Isin by Chano. 46 seconds. Chano, Suboy. Chano, 40 seconds left. Out of bounds.
Good job, good
Good
job.
ball. 35 seconds. 783. No good. Rebound by Chano. 30 seconds left. To Dema. 2 points. Dema. 24 seconds. Shot clock open. Free. Lorenzo. 19 seconds. 25 18. 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds. 3 seconds. 1.
Basket.
Basket by John Jabbar.